This wheels got here. Look at him right there. Yes, sir.
Rustyy.
What's up, bro? Turn that off real quick. How you feeling? How you feeling?
I feel ecstatic. I feel amazing.
Yo, they look nice.
$2,700.
$2,700?
Yes.
Damn. Is that the review?
Oh, you want me to do the review like that?
Is that the review?
This is a review. This is a review.
Oh.
Oh wait, the wrap. Oh, nice.
That's that right there. What are the name of these wheels?
ESR CS12 Hyper Silver.
Those right there are gonna be replaced by those. Dude, it's gonna change the whole car. Like, yo, Josh, completely, bro. Let me give you a little walk around. Yo, that thing looks so nice.
Look at that.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's gonna look real nice.
That's gonna look so
real nice. 1 month? Two?
Yeah.
Ever since you bought it?
Yeah. So
it's been 2. So this is one of the cleanest 350Zs I have ever seen. Like the interior wise, it's pretty well taken care of. That's kind of messed up right there, but it's pretty well taken care of. It's pretty clean inside. The steering wheel is just beyond like gorgeous. And then you got that right there, that little spare.
Later.
Bro, CS are so fire.
You broke your neck.
I did. We were buying the wheels, right? Dude, CS always remember. So my stock wheels, so on the front are 225s, 45, and 17s, right? And the rear is 235, 45, and 17s as well.
It's gonna look nice, the flush. Oh, that almost went bad. All right, so we're gonna get a little cold start on the 350Z.
Cold start!
You need some new brakes. So these are the 245, so to figure out which one's on the right and which is the left, you gotta find the arrow on the wheel, and it tells you the direction the tire rotates. Where's the arrow, bro? They lied to me. Alright, so these are non-directional tires. That means you can put them whichever way you would like.
What's my D-Walt?
Look at him right there. Look at him right there. The one that gapped the Civic. So as I was saying, they're non-directional, so that means you can put them whichever way you'd like. There's no arrow on the wheel, so there's a little tip for you guys. If your wheel doesn't have a little indicator, if your tire doesn't have a little indicator, hey, stop it. If your tire doesn't have a little indicator of where the wheel's supposed to rotate, it's supposed to be like an arrow, then that means it's non-directional, and you can just, doesn't matter which side you put the wheel on.
Look at the fucking wires, bro.
Damn.
Look at that shit.
Yo, he got the Summit Racing hoodie on.
What's going on, baby?
Where's my Summit hoodie? Fuck.
Doesn't know how to act on camera.
I got you.
Yo,
Yo, what happened to your face, bro?
Oh, I call myself shaving.
Were you shaving with a knife? Is that an oil leak right there?
Yes, sir.
Plastic DQ. Just refill the oil. If it's still leaking, you know it has it. Like, come on.
There you go. Use all that body weight. Hold on. The first look.
I mean, it's fake carbon fiber, but carbon fiber. You remember that? Motherfucker sent a Porsche. Wheels were like all the way outside of the fenders. He goes, "It's track Fitment. You wouldn't know about that." Like, shut the fuck up. Yo, this guy's on a pocket.
Yo, he got the flu shot.
Publix Pharmacy, baby.
Yes, sir.
You gotta hit the little sis. What the fuck? Hey, yo!
Cars and fives.
Oh
my
God. Dude, that looks clean.
Oh.
Before?
Dude, it has like
After.
negative. Let's fucking go! Yo, what the fuck?
With the flu shot, baby.
Yo, how do you feel? How do you feel right now?
I don't know what to say.
No cap, bro.
What the f up? What the f?
Bro,
it was after.
To me with jeans.
It was after like we had gone.
You're free balling jeans?
Oh my God.
What was that?
It's fine.
She'll be fine.
Fine.
Oh, yeah.
Hey. I
It's
can probably use you.
It's time for that.
This piece of shit fucking spare, bro.
Stop with all this cursing, bro. This is a family-friendly channel.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
You're just being a bitch. Dude, look at his face.
What's so funny? Let's take a look at how it looks with the. Oh my God, dude, this thing looks really nice with it. Look at this. Hold on, I gotta get like the right angle for you guys. Look at that right there. Has some monster truck fitment in the front right here. That's because it's lifted. Once it's down on the floor, it should be all nice and flush. One more, baby.
One more.
Milwaukee's the #1. It always will be.
Give me the camera. Give me the camera. Give me the camera.
Protein man. Protein man. Give me the hand real quick.
Oh my god.
How much do you think those wheels were?
1,300 as much as your camera.
Double that.
No way.
2,700. Look at this interior though, man. This thing is so clean. It makes me want to get a 350Z. Like, the way this is set up, this doesn't work. But he got the aftermarket infotainment. He got the Snoopy on here. But dude, it really makes me want to get a 350Z. I just think these cars are so clean, and it would be so much fun to drive. It's a rebuild title, this one, and he got it for like 3,000 something bucks. You put some wheels on it, you get a nice steering wheel, bro. And bro, this will be one of the cheapest, funnest drift cars you can get, or just any car you can around in. To be honest with you, just have a lot of fun in it. Yo, Josh, how much did you get this car for? 3,000, right? Like 3-4 grand.
29 in total. Because of like the towing fee.
2,900?
Basically in total for all the fees and shit, yeah.
Okay. You see? That's what I'm saying. Like, I want to get this, bro. Like, this, you just put a aftermarket steering wheel on it, bro. You can just go drifting in it. Like, it'll be a fun-ass car. Alright, so what do you want to say?
I want to say 350Z is looking mad sexy. Jordan's a
Yo, how do you feel right now, bro? Look how nice it looks. Look at that right there.
You want to know how I feel?
Dude, it looks so clean, bro. Alright, guys, I'm going to end it off right there. Peace. What's the retail on one of those?
One that you can afford, pal.
It's a small city, we can play serious. Can we hang married? Can we do more? Sit up.